If you want to start investing in real estate, or the more commonly known trendy phrase, flipping property, you need to grow your understanding of the real estate market. TV shows make property flipping look like a simple and fun process. However, they're only showing you such a small piece of the whole picture when it comes to real estate investing. They're showing you the fun stuff, the renovation, the before and after, the cute mistakes that happen along the way. It's actually quite difficult to find property that fits your business model. In this video, I'm going to go over some basics on how you can be successful in flipping properties. I'll just be scratching the surface here, but hopefully I can provide you some insight on how to get started. Investing in real estate is a great way to expand your income, earn passive income if you find a property to hold as a rental like a multifamily home, and get exposure to one of the world's biggest and safest assets. Before you even start looking for property, you'll need to identify what makes a home worth investing in, what specific factors will dictate whether a property will make a good house flip or not, and then use these characteristics to guide your buying behavior and decisions. These characteristics include location, property characteristics, connections, and most importantly, financials. Let's talk about location first. So first, identify what location interests you, but more importantly, what will interest your buyers. If you find that your target area has limited inventory, consider analyzing the potential neighborhoods and what the future of that area would look like. Are there any prominent developments that are set to take place in the area? Are there building restrictions in place? Or how easy or difficult is it to work with the city on permits, inspections? Also, keep in mind the feasibility of physically working on the job site if it's a larger renovation. Can you get a trailer in the driveway, or is it only street parking? As you continue to look at property and getting more involved in the process, questions like this will start to become part of your mental checklist. Next, it's important to address the physical property characteristics. So a rule of thumb when searching for properties, but also while you are mid-renovation, is remember that what you would consider to be a unique feature might be considered an eyesore by someone else. Keep your personal taste at bay and always consider the buyer and end user when searching and renovating property. Make sure the house will match up with the rest of the properties in the neighborhood. Don't over-design anything and don't overdo anything. Instead, figure out maybe 1 to 2 wow factors of the home, whether it's an open floor plan or a kitchen with lots of storage that will draw buyers to the home. When buying a property in need of a full rehab, it's worth taking a property appraiser or a general contractor with you to view the property and assess any issues before you close on it. It never hurts to make some provisions for these surprises in your budget either. The final part in choosing your property to flip is looking at the financials in more detail. So there's no way around it. If you want to flip a house, you'll need to know every detail when it comes to making it work financially. A large part of becoming a successful investor is taking the time to crunch numbers thoroughly. Each investor has their own way of doing this, but the first thing to consider is how you will finance your property purchases and what the value of the home will be once the renovation is complete. Renovation costs in particular can quickly spike above your initially prepared number, especially if you're rehabbing an older home. Older properties can have hidden costs and issues you'll need to make up the difference from somewhere within your budget. One last suggestion before I sign off. I recommend finding a realtor with experience in flipping. That's me. I am a real estate investor, but I immediately got my real estate license because it was important for me to know the ins and outs of the industry I work in. Your realtor will be able to help you better understand the market values, find comparables to help you figure out what the repaired value of your home will be, and align your purchase with the financial plan. If you are in the Rhode Island area, please don't hesitate to reach out to me to assist you on your next flip. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the Fitzpatrick team on YouTube.